Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English Standard 6 3.3 eco-friendly celebration. We are going to see the pointers. Let's start. So here we are going to use the letter format. Write a letter to your friend, cousin using the following format. So first we are going to see the date on the right side with and place. So we have to write there Ghatkopar, Mumbai, or where the place you have belong to. My dear, your friend name will be there. Hi, hello. Thanks for your letter. It was nice to know that you are going to Kashmir. Please tell me about your trip to Kashmir. We are planning to go to Pune. We are also going to Mahabaleshwar. You are my friend Zen and they are also going to Hubli. When you come here, we will have lots of fun. How are uncle and auntie? Give my regards to Sonu and love to Munni. Yours lovingly, and you can write your name here. Read and remember. Eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means not harmful to the environment. When something is eco-friendly, it is good for the earth, for human being and all other living things on the earth. It does not pollute or damage air, water, soil or land. In what way you can do something that is eco-friendly? How can you be an eco-friendly person yourself? To be eco-friendly, you use resources like food, water, electricity carefully without wasting them. You avoid using toxic chemical and material like plastic. You help to grow more trees and care for the animals in your neighborhood. Celebrate Holi with natural colors. Grate a couple of medium-sized beetroot and soak them in a little water. After a while, you will get a beautiful dark pink-red color. Add it to a bucket full of water. Keep the petals of the palas, flame of the forest flowers in the water for few hours. You will get a very pretty orange color. The red jasmine, hibiscus flowers will give you deep red colors. Dry the petals of zindu, means marigold flowers, in shade. Then you can powder them to get a dry color powder. You can add these two powder to water to get red color. Dry the leaves of neem, mint, coriander, spinach, etc. in shade to get a dry green powder. If you crush or grind the fresh green leaves, you will get green paste. If you add the paste into the water, you will get green water. Talk to your mother to find out what other things in the kitchen can give you safe natural colors. Thank you.